Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq 100 Index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half. Let's take a look at our first chart here with just under 2 hours to go before the 4 o'clock stock market close, and the Nasdaq 100 is trading higher by nearly 0.6% as Apple hits a new all-time high, and it's also Tim Cook's birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. Cook. Semiconductors and healthcare lead the way with Skyworks, Walgreens, AMD, Alexion, and Western Digital leading the index performance. Stocks got a boost out of the gate due to much stronger than expected U.S. jobs data and upward revisions. The U.S. economy added 128,000 jobs in October versus consensus of 75,000 jobs for the previous month. October jobs growth easily beat estimates despite a decline of 42,000 jobs in the auto sector due to a General Motors strike that has now been settled. Jobs growth data for September and August, that was also revised substantially higher. In deal news, Google's parent Alphabet is buying Fitbit. The acquisition pits Alphabet against fellow tech giant Apple in the wearable fitness tracking space. Fitbit says Google is paying $7.35 per share in cash for the company, valuing it at about $2.1 billion. Let's turn to the trading week ahead. It's relatively quiet on the data front, but stocks will continue to trade around U.S.-China trade headlines and earnings. 14 of the Nasdaq 100 companies will report, including Expedia and Wynn. That's going to give us a look into consumer, travel, and leisure spend from the Nasdaq market site in New York City. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.